Good morning all of you. Welcome to our platform. Today I will talk about computer. My topic belong to class 7. Today we will start new chapter, that is formula and the functions. In the previous classes you read about Excel. Today we will create some formula in Excel. So let's start our chapter. Firstly, try to understand what is the meaning of formula. Formula is used to perform calculation. Any type of calculation we have to do, so we need a formula. So means that formula is used to perform calculation. Formula are used to perform calculation. It involve addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Formula are used to perform calculation involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And in Excel, every formula start with equal sign. Every formula start with equal sign. It is very necessary sign to create a formula in Excel. Look at this. I create a formula. Let's try to understand this formula. Which thing we need to create a formula? First thing, we need a equal to sign. Firstly, I made a equal to sign. Then we need cell address. In the previous classes you read about the cell address. A2, B2, C4, E3, E5 is the cell address. In the previous classes we read about this. A2, B2, C4, E3 and the E5 is the cell address. Now come to the next thing, we need to create a formula, that is operator. Operator is plus symbol, multiplication symbol, subtraction symbol is known as the mathematical operators. If we are creating a formula, then we also need a mathematical operator. And next thing is the functions. We also understand about the function. We also need a functions to create a formula. Now let's try to understand one by one these things. Firstly things is the reference. What is the meaning of reference? The cell and the range that you want to use in your calculation. Any cell name, any cell address, if we are using in our calculation, that is known as a reference. Any cell if we are using in our calculation, either it is V1, either it is C2, these things are known as a reference. These things are known as a reference. Next thing, we have to understand about the operator. What is the operator? The symbol. The symbol, either plus symbol, either minus symbol, if we are using in our calculation, that is known as the operator. The symbol that specify the calculation to perform, that is known as the operator. Now come to the next point, that is constant. Constant is a number and the text value that do not change. The number and the text that do not change is known as a constant. You also read about the constant in maths. Now come to the function. What is the meaning of function? Predefined formulas in Excel means that predefined formula in Excel. Some formula already has been made in Excel, that is known as a function. Some formula like sum. Sum is used for addition. These type of formula already made in Excel, that is known as a functions. And if we are writing some formula already made in Excel, that is known as a functions, like sum. You can see it, we are not made a sign of plus. If we are writing sum, that it understand that we have to add. So means that some formula already has been made in Excel, that is known as a functions. You read about some functions name further next. Now come to the point in which we will creating a formula. First formula is basic formula. basic formula involve only one operator. If we are using only one operator, either plus operator, either minus operator, it is known as a basic formula. In basic formula we use only one operator. You can see in this example only I use one operator, plus plus plus, so it is known as a basic formula. Now come to the next is a compound formula. When we use more than one operator, that is known as a compound formula. When we use two operator, plus operator and the multiplication operator I used in this example, so it's make a compound formula because I used two operator. When we use more than one operator, that is known as a compound formula. Now come to the next is text formula. What is the meaning of text formula? If we have to add two or more than two text values, you can see here John and Smith. We have to join John and Smith. Then we used text formula. Then we need to use text formula. And text formula also known as a concatenation. Now come to the next point. In text formula we need a ampersand symbols. That is this. We need this type of symbols, and to add the formula, suppose that it is a E4 and F4, then we write the formula is this, and you can see that your answer will become AB. Here is A, here B is B. When we add this, it create A plus B. A is add in B. You can see here how to write this formula. This is the things we have to read in this chapter, in this video, and in the next video we will discuss about the different types of cell reference. If you like my video, you can share it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my video.